A superb trade here on Forex Trendy 5 minutes time frame. Watch the video until the end because I'm going to show you all the opportunities you can get using Forex Trendy. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the best trades here on the Forex market using Forex Trendy. I will also show you the bad ones because I like to be clear with my viewers. And I want to show you that there are not perfect strategies, but yes, you can make money with this online tool. You need to have a strategy, as I usually say at the beginning of my videos. But before starting, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to use Forex Trendy, you will find the link below in the description under the title. Okay. So before jumping to the pattern section, I want to show you two very strong trends that we have on the Forex market. Bear in mind that today is September 9th, 2020. I will upload this video in the next days, so these trends won't be there anymore. So don't try to trade them because opportunity has gone. Okay, so the first very strong uptrend is on the euro and the British pound 5-minute charts. We got the trend drawdown around 15.3%, so it's a very strong drawdown, and it's a super opportunity to jump on the wagon and make money. Okay, as you can see here, clicking here or more below the chart, you will find the uptrends and the relative drawdowns. Okay, so for example, on the 15-minute chart, we have an uptrend, and the drawdown is around 29%, 30%. And on the 30-minute chart, we got an 18% drawdown, and so on. So it looks very promising. And for traders that just jump on the boat here at the beginning of this very strong uptrend, they are having a very great time. Okay. So the next downtrend on the British pound and the Swiss 30-minute time frame, the drawdown is around 15%. And as you can see, another very big one, profit opportunity to invest your cash, okay, and grow your account, because your main focus is to grow your account. If you stop thinking about the money and you have just the if your goal is growing your account, you are on the right way. Okay, don't think about the money, but you must focus on how to grow constantly your account. The money will come, of course, but you must focus on your account growth and of course on price action. Don't trade without strategies. So after this initial preview on the trend section, let's jump to the pattern side. Okay, the first trade of the day was oil 5-minute time frame. We have a flag buy signal, break at 38.13. The trade was not profitable because after the breakout, the price started to go down, and then it lateralized here during the Asian session. Then we had a little bit of awakening. The price reached the 38.42, but many traders hit the stop loss here. Okay, especially if you have a tight stop losses. So for me, it's not a good one. Let's jump to the Swiss and the Japanese yen. We had a very hot day here on the Japanese yen. Triangle buy signal, break at 16.39. During the Asian session, the market was quiet. You know, we got this 10 pips range here. The traders were not trading at all. The price just rebounded on this previous resistance area, around 1640, and then the guys came in and started to grow the price. It reached the 70.27 level for a very nice trade, less than 100 pips, but it was worth it. Okay. Let's jump to this exotic pair, the USD and the Norwegian krone. And we have a flag sell signal breaking 901 and 13. Here's the breakout, and the price went back inside the pattern. You will see this often, okay, and it will happen often. Stay ready, because usually price is gonna retest certain levels, okay. And this is why you need strategies to put your stop loss and know how to behave and what to do in different market scenarios, okay. In every scenario, you must have a strategy and stay ready, okay, to act, or even stay calm and just let the price go. So we had an uncertain moment here when the price was going up and down, and then the big guys came in here at 7 o'clock Euro time, and the price went back, reaching the 97.58 level. So a very nice trade, especially for those guys that don't have a wide target, especially on these exotic pairs where you will find wide spreads. So of course you cannot have 20 pips target, because you are gonna break even. So a nice profitable one for guys out there ready to catch their opportunities. Let's jump to the Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc. This was a very nice one. If you look at the price action, we got this double top here, and then the price just retested this neckline around 69.38, and the price just started to go down, and a rising wedge formed, okay, and the sell signal was like a manual, you know, because we got this breakout, and then the price retested the trend line and started to go down, reaching the 68.84 level. So a very nice trade for around 68.83, 69.27, 40 pips more or less. Last trade of the day. So this is a very particular one that doesn't really belong to continuation pattern, because as you can see here on the New Zealand dollar and the USD, we have a flag buy signal break at 66.76. So looking at the left of the chart, you will find you will see a channel, okay. The top of the channel is around 66.85, and the bottom is around 66.70. So we get this first breakout, a failed breakout around 66.88, and then the price went back in. It touched this bottom once, two, then the flag formed. The first breakout was a failure because the price retested this previous low around 66.67, so around 10 pips. Okay, if you got a 10 pips stops, you usually get stopped out, and then the price started to go up, reaching the 67.06, around 30 pips more or less the spread. So it was a nice trade. It was a nice trade for traders that know what they are doing, of course. So let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Push the like button if you like the video. If you wanna use Forex Trendy, you will find a very quick link below in the description. For today is everything. Stay tuned. Bye bye.